We're here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. Sige po is there anybody here who knows of any impediment about the marriage to be contracted within these couples? At ako mo trating a wedding? No awan, let us continue. Sige, tagdal kayo nga duwan. Laurelita, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes,
Franz, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Sige nga duwa. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed. We do. We do. Franz, will you have Laurelita to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Laurelita, will you have Franz to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Sige. What are you sing-singan? And follow after me, bagam niya baga. Muna ka, Franz. Hindi sing-singan, okay? Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, one. Sulat lang. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, suot mo. Okay, at taman, sumango kayo ito eh. O, magpayo tayo ng wish na ganyan kasal. Sige, bagay yun.
This time na nagawa ko. Ang ako makakaya na respeto, understanding.
Yes. Thank you na mo. Ayan. Sige, tingnan mo kayo ito. O, namin wish, kinpayo. Lagi ni to our dyan kasana. Thank you. Okay na ako na. Jelikot. Sumango kay Jelikot. O, tataman ang namin wish, kinpayo.
I wish you good health and happiness. Amo yung marriage, ano basta-basta is up and down. So, face mo din siya. Tatlo, masolve yung ibig problema yun. Good luck.
Thank you. Lang. Sabay. Wish lang, wish.
Diba ibagak lang po niya. Ano nanti, dahil ano pagkitinawatan, ada kalma kailangan, ada na din, pinag-awakan yung nagawa na kasawa. Good luck for your journey.
Thank you.
Panana, bibigyan, love your husband, love your wife, at manatili tayo sa Panginoon. At kung may hindi kayo, kung bless you. More blessing.
Thank you. Tawanan. Nagilikod. Text na lang. Sige, sama mo na dalawa. Tama na. Ikaw di man ang... O tataman yung vows yun. Daman sabat yung prepare yung mga vows. O muna ka, Laurelita, namit kahit mo ibaga from the heart to your husband.
This is my vow to you. You are more than a man to me. I have found in you the king of my kingdom, my anchor in life's temptation sea, the leader behind my beauty, and above all, you are my husband, and I will love you forever.
Thank you. O, Franz, o naman, ano naman vows mo, promise mo to your wife?
Ang naman sa at sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Ating pangako na ako ay maging tapat sa iyo. Kailanman ako ay magiging buhay kasama sa hirap at ginhawa. Sa kaligayahan at kalungkutan. Ingatan at mahalin ka sa lahat ng sandali ng aking
Ay, good. O, sige, gawin din mo na ka. Both hands. Follow after me. I hereby take you, Laurelita, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, for in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. By death. This is my solemn vow. Good. Statement lang, Lord, dito. Follow after me. I hereby take you, Franz,
I hereby take you, son,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we are departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn
Okay? By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you lawfully wedded husband and wife. Sige, kumapit kayo, sumawakan to. Sige, kayo, sabi mo pag-una para ready na. You may not kiss. Kiss na! Awal pirma ano kiss. Sige, kiss na! Ako, ha?
Maday!
Isa pa. Yan. Okay. Matagilininong ginang ako. Witness naman sa ako. Pero matala.
Hindi ko pa. Hindi na siya na ka lang ko kaya kasi kuya. Ano ito na? Diyos. Hindi ko.
Apat na. Ay, galing ako doon. Wala na po ako sa bangko.
Okay.
Ikaw yung nagpa-pro.
Ninong-nina. Ay, okay. Oh, friends, friends.
Friend.
Friends.
One, two,
Okay, natuwala. Hindi kayo niyo. Bless you.
all the guys.